Platinum this week has risen in value. We can see the week has started with this bullish breakout on a Monday, forming this strong bullish candle where the price next day formed a bearish candle, invalidating this bullish breakout. So it was expected the price will continue to fall down even further because of this failed bullish breakout, but then the price formed another bullish breakout where the price then continued to rise in value. We can see that rise in value, form a strong or large wick on the upper side, and on a Friday the price returned back down and then bouncing back up, again trying to reach, and it has almost reached the start of the supply zone around 101.777. Weekly time frame shows me a bullish candle after the price formed this bullish pin bar. We can see that with a larger wick the price continued to rise in value, first touching the support and then returning back up. We can see forming a small bullish breakout above very important levels here, and it has almost reached this area 1023.42. We can see that as the next target. A monthly time frame shows me currently a bullish engulfing candle, which I have discussed in the previous week analysis, which means the price will try to move higher, reach the next resistance level, which is 1033.42. So this is the next target, and it is target for this monthly time frame. So this is something that I am expecting that the price will do. Now we have 2 more weeks until this month closes, so remember that everything can change. We can see that this week on the lower side, this could also be a continuation of the further decline down in value. But it has happened opposite. We can see that the price did not go below 966.39, but it has returned back up, which means a bullish momentum is much stronger. So I'm expecting that the price will reach 1033.42 in the following 2 weeks. Will that be this week? That depends on the daily time frame, because we can see the daily time frame shows much more clear information, and we have 1017.77 as the next resistance that needs to be broken in order to continue to rise in value, reaching 1033.42. So this is something that I'm currently waiting. I'm waiting outside of the market for the price to make a bullish or bearish breakout. I'm much more inclined to see the bullish breakout going the price above, and then we'll see where the next target is. This is the one, but let's see how the price behaves. We can see in the past the price formed bullish breakout, immediately reaching this resistance and then returning it back down. We can see all the way back down, and then now it's currently trying for the second time to go above. Now this is something that I also share with the traders in the trading community and so Telegram group. I share the daily how the market behaves when the breakout happens, what is the next target. So you can also join if you would like. Feel free to check it in the description below. How to join this trading community and also a Telegram group. Also we can discuss, if you leave your comment below in the description below this video, you can also leave your comment to discuss what do you think, will the price continue to rise in value, form this bullish breakout reaching 1033.42, or it will bounce between this support and the resistance level next week. This is all for this week. See you next time and happy trading. That is all from today's analysis. I hope you enjoyed. If you have any question, feel free to leave a comment. If you like the analysis, click the like button and subscribe. See you next time and a happy trading.